Today we will have a look what's the difference between any and unknown. If we define variable and do not assign any type, it will be any type. So it is the same as we doing any. So now we can assign some values on variable. We can assign it number. We can assign also string type. We can assign even boolean, array, whatever we want, because it's any type. The issue is when we want to call some, for example, for a call includes and check if variable contains that text. We will have issue here if, for example, in somewhere in our code a will be assigned some for example false. In this case we will have an error. Now let's have a look for unknown type. For unknown type we can use variable and assign the type unknown. So then we will do the same as we did for any type. We can have a variable a assigned it for the number. We can have variable assigned to the string, and also a assign it to the, for example, boolean for false. It works the same as any. But now if we want to call some method in any, we see we have compile time error. To fix this we need to first check type, then call the method. So now we don't have any error. Even if we accidentally assign it false, we will not have runtime error. So using unknown is better to using any. So this is the main difference for any and unknown types. We have looked what's the difference between any and unknown. Thank you. Have a good day.